Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to do a review on these Dreametech L10S mop pads. So here I have the L10S and here I have the actual mop pads that came in this box. You do get 4 of them. So let's take the mop pads off that come with the robot. So it's very simple. That's just held on with a magnet. Pull that up. You can peel this off. It's got Velcro. Now you can reuse these. The base station is going to rinse and wash these also, but you can also put these in the laundry and dry them and then reuse them again. But here's what a brand new one looks like. So you're going to put it on there. It's held on with Velcro. Make sure it's nice and centered. Then you're simply going to put it on the robot. And if we want to compare, the new one, yeah, looks to be relatively close to the same as the one that come with the robot. And you'll want to replace these. This one was still good. These will get super flat when they've been used a bunch. And even after the base station cleans these get really flat and they kind of lose their ability to grab the dirt and take it back to the base station. So when you start to see that really, really flat, it's time to replace. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.